Hello guys, today we're going deeper into the jungle. Let's see what we find. Wait. Do you hear that? That sounds like water.
Woo! That hit the spot. Nothing like jungle AC, huh?
I could stay here forever, but I forgot to bring snacks again.
That's it for today, folks. Time to head home and maybe steal someone's bananas on the way. Home sweet home. Time to chill and maybe nap for 12 hours straight. All right, I'm officially done. If anything eats me tonight, upload this, okay? All right, folks, your turn. What should I explore next? Drop your jungle ideas below. No snakes, please.